My MRIs are telling me I needed surgery, that, my disc is collapsed, it's bulging, I've got arthritis, and they're going to put an artificial disc in. And I was scared. And I came to you, I was like, you are my last resort before I have a surgery in November. I was looking for a solution. I was looking for, something to fix me and hopefully not going under the knife. I was kind of at an all lost dead end, and I didn't know what to do. I stumbled across you from someone, and I figured, what the heck, give it a shot. I think people are hoping to get a, immediate fix, give you a shot and you're done. You have to work for it. So from the beginning, I was committed. I stuck to the plans you gave me. I started noticing amazing results. And because of that, it only made me more eager and strive to keep doing it. If not, get back in the gym, which has helped too, because I felt comfortable enough to go back into the gym. I can't even believe it's been 3 months. It's crazy. Work has been so much better. I have not had any neck pain. I can literally sit at my desk for 8, 9, 10 hours. And I'm literally in no pain. It's crazy. I don't even think about it. I just work and I leave, and, it's great. I've been back in the gym, no pain. It's crazy. I wake up with no pain. It's yeah.
I know when we first started, you had a surgery scheduled on the books in November, right?
Yeah. Yep. I actually canceled it, so.
It is official. You avoided surgery with flying colors, I would say.
Yeah, flying colors. I was 23, about to be 24. And it's kind of devastating to think that, this is your last option, is to get surgery, and such an invasive surgery. So to stumble across you and your program has been an absolute blessing, and it's changed my life. It's also given me knowledge on the correct way to do things. I think a lot of people should feel more encouraged instead of discouraged, because there is solutions. And like I said, my surgery is going to cost me thousands of dollars, and then they were going to put an artificial disc in my neck. What were they doing? My neck I'm young. I like to see other people joining you in your program, because it just means that hopefully these other people are going to get relief the way I did, and that it's real. It's not like a scam. It's not fake. This is not a crazy ad that you see on TV or whatever, come get your whatever. No, it's not that. It's legit. And here I'm a real person. I'm telling you, 24 years old, worst pain in my life, and now I have no pain. And it's amazing. It's changed my life in so many ways. I'm forever grateful for you, for your program.